Hello guys, welcome to AdLearners YouTube channel. In this channel, you will learn ultra basics about stock market. Today we are going to learn about some basic candlestick pattern, which is the shooting star pattern. Before going to introduction, many people know how to place the order, and some people know very well how to place the stop loss. But most of the people don't know about how to take the entry. At which point we have to take the entry, at which point we have to take the exit. People don't know. Okay, if you able to understand the basics about the charts, means you can take the entries very easily by yourself. Without wasting time, let's go to our topic, the shooting star pattern introduction. It forms after a nice uptrend, means the shooting star will form when market is in uptrend. See, you can use this candlestick charts in any time frame. 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, or 2 hours or 3 hours, daily or weekly or monthly charts. Okay. Many people will prefer, even I too prefer for intraday 15-minute charts. For delivery purpose, I prefer daily charts. Okay, because in 15-minute charts and daily charts we can get accurate candlestick patterns and accurate results also, because it is proven. Even I tried many times using 15 minutes, the 5 minutes and 10 minutes candlestick patterns for intraday. For 15 minutes charts you can get good accurate results. Okay, hope you got this point. Shooting star the shooting star pattern forms after a nice uptrend like this. It will be 15 minutes uptrend, or it will be daily uptrend, or it will be a 1 hour uptrend like that. Okay. See, this is shooting star. It looks like this. Shooting star look like this. It forms after nice uptrend. Okay. This is a real body. This is a box is called real body. This is called foreshadow. This wick is called lower shadow. Okay. Whatever the candle here you are seeing, this is a shooting star candle. Means the candle, the market is falling from here like that, and closed at this point. When color of the candle is not important in shooting star. It may be in green color or it may be in red color. Color of the candle is not important for shooting star pattern. Okay. Now coming to the concept. Already said that this is upper shadow, this is lower shadow, this is the real body, the box is real body. Okay. The upper shadow must be at least 2 times of real body. Means this is the real body. Whatever the upper shadow forming in shooting star, this must be at least 2 times of the real body. Means this upper shadow must be 2 times or more than 2 times of this real body. Okay, hope you got it. The real body must be as small as possible. Even whatever the real body here I am showing, if it is like this is small like this. Maybe it starts from here and ends at here, or it is start from here and ends at here, or it may be start from here and ends here, or it may be starts from here and ends from here. Whatever it may be, the real body must be as small as possible. Means the real body is small as small means the wick will be, the shadow will be more. Okay, it will be more than 2 times. Then we can get the accurate results. Okay. Okay, this is a very simple shooting star pattern. Conditions are very simple. Market is in uptrend. We must see the candlestick like this. Okay, and the condition is this wick, this lower shadow must be 2 times of this real body. two time long. Okay, I hope you people got this point. After forming this pattern, what the trades we have to initiate? I will explain in this. The lower shadow must be as small as possible or no shadow also good. Means this is the lower shadow. If there is no lower shadow means it is very good. Even it is small means okay. If it is long means it is this is not called as shooting star. Okay. For shooting star, lower shadow must be as small as possible. Okay. If all above conditions are satisfied, then market may start to fall from here. What are the conditions? First condition is market is in uptrend. After that, shooting star must be formed, and this upper shadow must be two times of this real body, and lower shadow must be as small as possible. If we found these conditions in the chart, okay, from we have to take the entry here, the end of the shooting star. Wait for the closing the candle. Don't if it is a 15 minutes candle means wait for that 15 minutes candle to close. After closing, you, the candle, the shape of the candle will appear clearly. After closing, you have to take the entry here. You can keep the stop loss above this wick, above the shadow. Okay. Aim for the target like here or somewhere here. You can take the exact stop loss and exact targets when seeing in practical examples. Okay. Another thing I have to say that by learning these charts, we can understand that whenever shooting star is formed, see market is an uptrend from a long time. Whenever this shooting star is formed, we can understand that before it is we can understand that there is no up further that stock, there is no uptrend for that stock further until unless this shooting star stop loss is taken. Okay, whenever the shooting star pattern is formed, from there, see, two conditions are possible, two types of market is possible. Whenever the shooting star is formed, two types of market is possible. One, market may consolidate or take the range bound like this. It won't go up and it won't go down like this, or more chances that market may fall from there. Whenever we can see, we see in the shooting star pattern, from there market may start to fall. This is the possibility by trading this, by learning this shooting star pattern. Okay, first thing, when shooting star is formed, we can observe that there is no uptrend further. Second thing, that particular stock may fall or it may take a consolidation zone. Okay, these are the three points keep in mind whenever you see in the shooting star pattern. I hope you people understand this shooting star pattern very well. Apply this practically. Daily take 4 5 charts like Nifty or Bank Nifty or some other any Reliance stock or something any ITC stock or like that. Take some different charts and try to practice by keeping 15-minute charts or daily charts. Uh, check check the charts after forming the shooting star pattern. What is happening to the market? What is happening to the particular stock? What is happening to the Nifty? What is happening to the Bank Nifty? Like that, you have to learn by practicing yourself. Then only you can success in the market. Okay, don't go for blind trading blindly. Just learn slowly. If you learn this concept day by day, practicing day by day, at one point of the time you will get the clear idea about the markets. Okay, you can take the entry yourself. By seeing this candle, you can guess what is going to happen to the markets in next 15 minutes. Okay, that is the beauty of this candlestick patterns. I hope you people understand this topic very well. uh, Thank you for watching this video. If you feel this video is helpful for you, please share, comment, and subscribe, and like also. Better to share to your beloved ones to learn these concepts. Thank, thank you very much. Have a nice day. Signing off.